Welcome to the Finance Blueprint, where we make money make sense. Let's begin. Imagine working hard every single month. He receive your salary. He pay your bills. He buy the things you need. Yet somehow, his bank account never seems to grow. If that sounds familiar, you are not alone. The difference between financial stress and financial confidence often isn't how much money you earn. It's understanding how money works. And that's exactly where your financial journey begins. In the next few minutes, I'll explain the foundation that almost every other money lesson builds on. Before we talk about investing, building wealth, or financial freedom, do not skip any part of this video, as I'm about to reveal the secret in a hidden part of this video. We first need to understand one important concept: personal finance. Personal finance is the way you manage your money throughout your life. It includes how you earn, how you spend, how you save, how you invest, and how you prepare for unexpected events. Think of it as the blueprint behind every financial decision you make. Why it matters. Imagine two people earning exactly the same income. They live in the same city. They work similar jobs, but they make very different financial decisions. One spends without a plan. The other follows a budget, saves consistently, and invests for the future. 10 years later, their financial situations may look completely different. Not because one earned more, but because one managed money with greater intention. Personal finance is about building habits, small decisions. Repeated consistently can make a meaningful difference over time. Here's the first secret. There are more, so do not skip yet. The 5 pillars of your personal finance. Ben never knew about. Earn, save, spend, invest, and protect. Don't ask how, because I'm going to explain this to your doorstep. Every financial journey begins with earning. Our number 1 is earn. Every financial journey begins with earning. Your income is the foundation that supports every other financial decision you make. While earning more can create new opportunities, working longer hours isn't the only path to increasing your income. Developing valuable skills, gaining experience, and continuing to learn can increase your earning potential over time. The goal isn't simply to earn more money, it's to become more valuable so your opportunities can continue to grow. Number 2 is save. Saving transforms today's income into tomorrow's security. Life is full of unexpected moments. A medical bill, a car repair, or the loss of a job can happen when you least expect it. An emergency fund helps you handle these situations without depending on expensive debt. Saving isn't about avoiding enjoyment. It's about creating peace of mind and giving yourself more financial flexibility when life changes. Number 3 is spend. Every time you spend money, you're making a decision about your priorities. Intentional spending means directing your money toward the things that matter most. One helpful habit is learning the difference between needs and wants. Needs support your daily life. Wants add comfort, convenience, or enjoyment. When you understand the difference, you're more likely to stay in control of your finances instead of letting your spending control you. Number 4 is invest. Saving protects the money you've earned. Investing is one way people seek to grow their money over the long term. Investments can increase or decrease in value, which is why understanding risk is important. One powerful concept is compound growth. where returns may generate additional returns over time. The earlier you begin and the more consistently you invest, the more time your investments have to potentially grow. And the 5 pillars is protect. Building wealth isn't only about growing your money. It's also about protecting it. Preparing for unexpected events can reduce financial stress when life doesn't go according to plan. This may include maintaining an emergency fund and using appropriate insurance based on your individual needs. A strong financial plan prepares for both opportunities and challenges. Protecting what you've built helps create greater financial resilience over the long term. Now, here's the secret. The last secret will surprise you. Common mistakes been made. Most financial mistakes don't happen because people aren't intelligent. They happen because many of us were never taught how money works. One common mistake is spending everything that's left after paying bills instead of saving first. Another is relying on expensive debt for everyday expenses. Some people delay learning about investing because they believe they need a lot of money to begin. Others avoid creating a simple budget because it feels restrictive. The encouraging news is that every financial habit can be improved. Better decisions begin with better understanding. And that's exactly why financial education matters. Your first steps. You don't need to transform your finances overnight. Start with one simple habit. For the next 7 days, write down every expense you make, every coffee, every snack, every transport fare, every online purchase. Don't judge yourself. Simply observe your spending. At the end of the week, look for patterns. Awareness is often the first step toward making better financial decisions. I hope you've learned something today. Let's dive into the summary. Let's quickly review what we've learned. Personal finance is the process of managing your money wisely. It begins with earning, continues through saving, spending intentionally, investing for the future, and protecting yourself from unexpected events. These 5 pillars work together. Strengthening one helps support the others. Building wealth isn't about perfection. It's about making thoughtful decisions consistently over time. Congratulations! You've just learned the foundation that every other money lesson builds on. In our next lesson, we'll create the first practical tool every financial plan needs: a simple budget. If you found this lesson helpful, subscribe and continue learning with us. Until next time, learn clearly, invest wisely, build wealth.